Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P0451 pertains to the fuel tank pressure FTP sensor circuit, indicating a range or performance issue. When the powertrain control module, PCM, detects irregular electrical signals in the FTP sensor over a specified time frame, it registers this anomaly as DTC P0451. The FTP sensor plays a critical role in the evaporative emission control system, EVAP, detecting pressure changes in the fuel tank to minimize fuel vapor's release into the atmosphere. The component is typically located in the fuel tank area and is pivotal in ensuring that fuel emissions are efficiently managed. Additionally, this DTC may require troubleshooting to identify any underlying problems affecting the EVAP system, and understanding its significance in the overall vehicle operation is essential for proper diagnosis and repair. The FTP sensor is a crucial component located in the fuel tank, responsible for measuring the vapor pressure within the tank. It provides data to the PCM to monitor and control the EVAP system effectively. The sensor operates by detecting pressure changes resulting from fuel vapor along with ambient conditions. If the sensor provides readings outside of its expected range or exhibits performance irregularities, the PCM will assess the situation and trigger DTC P0451. This feedback loop is essential for maintaining optimal emissions control and ensuring compliance with environmental regulations. Therefore, understanding the FTP sensor's role aids in diagnosing associated faults and taking corrective actions. Several factors can lead to the occurrence of DTC P0451. One primary cause is a faulty FTP sensor. If the sensor is defective or damaged, it may output incorrect data, directly affecting the PCM's performance. Another consideration is wiring issues, such as damaged wires or connectors in the FTP sensor circuit, which can lead to poor signal quality and irregular readings. Additionally, a malfunctioning powertrain control module, PCM, itself can cause the system to misinterpret sensor data. Each of these potential causes necessitates a systematic troubleshooting approach to isolate and rectify the underlying issue effectively. Understanding these causes informs the technician's journey toward a resolution. The symptoms associated with DTC P0451 can manifest through various indicators. Primarily, drivers may notice that the check engine light illuminates on the dashboard, alerting them to a potential issue within the vehicle's system. In some cases, the engine performance may be impacted, leading to poor fuel efficiency as the EVAP system struggles to regulate pressures appropriately. Furthermore, if the FTP sensor is malfunctioning, it could cause the EVAP system to fail, potentially resulting in leaks and increased emissions. Recognizing these symptoms is vital for the timely diagnosis and repair of the FTP sensor circuit to maintain optimal vehicle performance and compliance with environmental standards. The first troubleshooting step involves starting the engine and monitoring its behavior at an engine speed of 3,000 RPM. It's essential to ensure that the vehicle is in a no-load condition, meaning either the continuously variable transmission, CVT, should be in park or neutral, or the manual transmission, MT, should be in neutral. This allows for a controlled environment in which the PCM can gather data without interference from other engine loads. As the engine runs at this RPM, pay close attention to the activation of the radiator fan. This should occur based on temperature thresholds. After observing this initial process, it is crucial to let the engine idle for 1 minute, allowing the PCM to gather adequate data to evaluate the FTP sensor's performance accurately. These steps are emphasized in the vehicle service manual for ensuring systematic troubleshooting. After completing the necessary repairs associated with DTC P0451, final verification is essential to confirm the effectiveness of the work performed. This involves inspecting the repairs to ensure that all connections are secure and that the installed components function as intended. Following this inspection, clearing the DTC from the PCM ensures that any stored fault codes are removed, allowing for accurate monitoring of the system post-repair. It is advisable to conduct a test drive to further validate that the repairs have resolved the initial problem. During this operation, the technician should be alert for any recurrent symptoms or warning lights. Successful verification is a critical step in confirming the resolved issue and maintaining vehicle reliability. To prevent the occurrence of DTC P0451 and ensure long-term vehicle performance, routine preventive maintenance is vital. Regular inspections of the FTP sensor can help identify early signs of wear or damage that could affect its functionality. Technicians should also routinely check the wiring and connections within the FTP sensor circuit to mitigate potential faults caused by environmental factors like corrosion or wear. Monitoring fuel system messages through the vehicle's onboard diagnostic systems provides insightful data and alerts for any developing concerns. Consistent upkeep of these components contributes to prolonging the system's life and maintaining adherence to emission standards, ultimately enhancing overall vehicle reliability. In conclusion, understanding the role of the FTP sensor is crucial for diagnosing and effectively responding to DTC P0451. Following the outlined troubleshooting steps ensures that technicians systematically identify and remedy any issues, leading to lasting repairs. It is equally important to focus on preventive maintenance practices, addressing any potential faults before they escalate. By integrating these strategies, vehicle owners can ensure better fuel efficiency and compliance with environmental regulations. Collectively, this knowledge contributes significantly to the vehicle's overall operational integrity and longevity. Remember, proactive troubleshooting and maintenance can alleviate many common issues, keeping the Honda Civic running smoothly. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.